Yes, y'all already know what time it is. And Money Made Woman, y'all better look out for Beat You. Hardest single of 2021. Trust me. Shout out to Beezy and Redna Films. Y'all know what? Shout out to shout out to Dr. Keyshawn, shout out to Willow. We shout out everybody that has been playing a part in today's video. And y'all can tell them that for real, because it's working like a motherfucker. Guess what? It's all good.
Man, you already know, man. Me and my nigga Beezy, man, we ain't playing no motherfucking game. Bitch, you cap if you ain't here. You heard me? Hey, man, I told y'all 2021, man, Imani made woman. Hey, man,